Alright, hello YouTube, this is Edwin. Tonight I'll be playing Yomawari Night Alone. This game was gifted to me by a friend of mine named, nicknamed Four Eyes Chan. Steam gifted and all that. Quick disclaimer, I did record earlier and try to play the game, but I only got back home and I realized it wasn't recording, so I technically know this beginning part of the story, but I hope I can give you a decent blind playthrough. Okay, a decent blind playthrough. Okay, a decent blind playthrough. So this is my dog Poro. Spoiler warning, it's not good for him. Alright, let's go back. Alright. Come on, doggy. Let's go. Come on, you. Getting the fuck out of here. Ah, yeah. Look, there we go. Thank you for letting me know that. Come on, little girl. Ooh, spooky. So, I'm trying to keep these episodes more or less like under 30 minutes, just to make it easier on people's stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot. That came out of nowhere. Thank you for the interactable rock. Yay. I want to pick it up. Alright, so... Alright, Lassie, I need you to... Alright, here it goes. Come on, go. Ooh. Yeah. Last time I was recording this, I actually I got upset. Not too upset, I just... Oh wow, you could see the terror in her eyes. I didn't notice this earlier. It was brief for a second, but... She looked stunned in her position. That's something I didn't pick up the first time around. But yeah, there's period blood everywhere. That's not good. Yeah, come back home. Get out of here. Nobody likes you anymore. Alright, and just from my perspective, just saying this, I'll just say it after. Just welcome back. Where's Poro? Come on, tell her. Tell her where's the dog. Tell her No, he didn't. Onesan, he didn't run away. Well, no. Okay. Stay here. I'll be right back. Yes, Onesan. I don't think it matters which one you picked. She's lying through her teeth. Kids do that. I mean, especially for considering that she just fucking let her dog just get killed. I mean, not really entirely her fault. Actually, no, it is her fault. It is her fault, but, you know, hey, she's just a little girl. How could she know, you know? Alright. It is the responsibility of the pet's owner, it is the responsibility of the pet's owner to properly train their animal. Yeah, and not get hit by cars. Come on, give me money. Okay, so from my last playthrough, money, or I'm just gonna call it money. Money is the currency that you use for quick saves. They're pretty handy in a tight spot. I don't think the beginning part it's gonna be that handy, but if you're trying to get from point A to point B without you know, starting from the beginning. Ooh, alright, let's not starting from the beginning. Then, you know, what? Here too? Okay, I'm either seeing things or... Okay, I'm lost. Okay, so... Alright. Little Imouto-san is just making her way downtown fucking fast. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so currency is good for quick saves and you get rocks. Let me see. If you select on the rock, you can... Oh, he's gone. Oh, what the hell is that? Okay. Well, rocks more or less distract them. Also, what the hell is this? Either that's trash or a dog turd. A really huge dog turd. Hi. Okay. Yeah, this stuff I didn't notice the first playthrough. Yeah, I'm just a little girl looking for my own nest. Alright, quick shout out to Four Eyes Chan. Thank you for the game. You've made my life miserable. Oh fuck, I forgot. It goes that fast. Oh god. Okay, just run. Run, little girl. Throw the rock. Go there. Okay, maybe it only works if you notice. Alright, so can I pick up the rock again? Give me the rock. Thank you. I want it back. Oh great, it's following me. If you haven't noticed, I'm very bad with direction. Like, and very bad. I want my rock back. Give me that back. Shoot. Yeah. Honestly, this girl's just flying through her teeth trying to not get busted for her dog. If anything... God damn it. I'll juke you. I'll juke you. You can't get me. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Nope. Gosh, there's a song I really want to remember. A J-pop song, but it's from Beelzebub. Gosh, what can I interact with? What the? Oh yeah, I can go see. Oh yeah, these you can interact with things, and these bushes are good to hide. Let's check it out. Hold on. Oh shit. I'm not here. I ain't here. I'm not sure how the enemy passing works, but get the fuck out. Get out of here. I can escape you. You can't hurt me. Yeah, he's pissed. Yeah, thank you. I didn't know that. Gosh, they're really aggressive right now. I didn't have this much problems the first playthrough. Alright, we're reaching halfway to the point where I recorded, so this is my own F-son. She's the bestest, and she about to die. She scared me. Did he come looking for me? Oh. Come here. Hide in these bushes, close your eyes, and do not open them no matter what happens. I'm not falling for that again. Sis, I'm not falling for that again. Okay, alright. Sorry, I'm gonna be drinking my tea right now. Okay. Press A. Why would I ever want to leave here? Alright. So here comes the difficult part, and this is mainly the reason why I love the game right now. Once again, thanks for my friend for gifting this to me. Also love the text. I also love the note she left in there. She just, if I could show you, it's just perfect. Oh yeah, I have a start map. Yeah, I'm terrible with numbering shit, but this is my map. As you can see, my nephew drew it. He's 3 years old. Just kidding. Actually, he is 3 years old. I've got 1 rock, maybe a few, 10 coins, and yeah. Like the sandbox. Okay. Oh, I see shiny. I try to keep an eye out for those things. Also, yeah, this is gonna be. Yeah, this is where the chase begins. Alright. So, not that way. Okay, I've got an idea. Can I throw the rock and hide? Okay, fuck it, I gotta juke it. Fuck you. These juking skills. Notice. Oh fuck. Yep. Oh! That's the one. Alright, let's do this again. Come on, I used to play League. I know I have juking skills, guys. I got to diamond. Or was it gold? No, it wasn't diamond. My bad. It was platinum. Platinum. Got to platinum once. Ela booster. Okay, but I used to play, and I let someone else use my account, and whew, oh, that was a surprise. Okay, all right, yeah, let's get through this part. All right. Damn it! All right. Wow, not even in the 15-minute mark, and I'm fucking getting squashed like a bug. Okay. Yeah, alright. Let's start running. I know it's spooky. You gotta keep running. Oh, okay, so I don't have to face to change the direction of the light. Oh, sweet. Nope. Oh, okay, yeah, see, juking skills maxed. I don't get why she does that. I guess she just does. Oh, no, can't go there. My Onesan is dead. My dog's dead. Oh, shiny. Yeah. Yes, you're gonna explain to me this. A Jesus statue. Alright, now these are the quick save points you use your money at. Yeah, there you go. If you offer up a coin to the Jesus statue, you can quick save. Quick save is not the same as saving, so yeah, I can't end the episode like that here, so just ain't the same, you know. It's leaving the quest unfinished. And I can't break into other people's houses, so okay. I don't see any ghosts. Can I ghost through here? There's something here. I got more rocks. Okay, this seems to be the... Oh. Nope. Nope. Juke. Oh god. Nope. Oh god. I swear that asshole wasn't there earlier. Okay. You're not. Oh god. Save me. Save me. This thing really wants me. Oh fuck. Save me. Save me. Nope. Alright. And that's why you quick save. I don't know if I need to do it again. I think I only need to do it once. Okay. I don't even know if I picked whatever I picked up. Yeah, this looks safe. Found money. Okay. Okay, home's right there, and the park's right there. I really want to actually get that shovel. Maybe not worth my life, but whatever, I'll take it. You know, why can't I take the shovel from this guy's garden? Okay, so... sandbox here. Yep, didn't notice me. Nope. Ah. Eat that. Oh great, I have another rock. Aha, I see it. Found a shovel. Oh, there's something here. God, I found puzzle piece. Nice. Okay. Examine how this thing works. Okay, go. Now's the best time to go. Oh shit! Just pick up your damn rock. You never know when you need a rock. You never know when you need to lynch someone. An old small shrine. No one takes care of it and it's run down. Yeah, you see, this is why bad things happen to good people. Piss off the gods. Oh wait, actually, this is where I live. Oh fuck, no. Nope, nope. Anything? Anything here? Get out. Let go. Let go. Thank you. Picking up my damn rock. Alright, don't forget, guys. Pick up your damn rocks. Oh, okay. Alright. My Onesan isn't home. Yep. She dead, girl. Oh, great. Alright, so I'm gonna end it here. I've got dinner to make and then work to go. So I have work to do later, so well, I'll just end it here. You guys have a good evening, and you guys have a good night, okay? Alright, bye. Oh, make sure you don't take your dogs out for a walk. Just don't. This game has taught me don't do it. And with that, I'm gonna be leaving y'all. Bye.